Do you hear that? My sanity about to break while everyone I know's out on a trip on a...
Hello, good morning, and welcome to MTA Adventures. Today I'm going to be headed to work, and after work I'm going to ride from Southern Oregon up to Salem, Oregon, and gonna have dinner with my daughter Savannah this evening, and then we're gonna just find some cool roads Saturday to go cruise around, and I'll have lunch with Savannah, and yeah, it's just a quick trip to cruise around, have some good food, and hang out with her a little bit. So you're welcome to ride along, and let's get this thing started. All right, made it to work. Today is ride day. Can't wait to get out of here later on. Maybe they'll let me out of here early today. I should ask the boss that. That'd be a great question. So I'll see you guys later this afternoon, and I'll be counting the time down. See you later. All right, we made it to Coburg, about 50 miles from Salem. Stopped to get a little snack and getting back on the road. Okay, this is Savannah.
Hello.
We made it to Salem, and we're gonna eat dinner.
Yes, we are.
Okay, so we made it to the dinner spot with Savannah. I already met up with her, but I'm trying to figure out which one of these food trucks I'm gonna eat at. They all look amazing, and there's so many of them. Wow. All right, this is my food at the yard. Got some nachos with some asada. Looks really good. Very tasty. Hey, good morning. Welcome to day 2 of MTA Adventures. Made it to Salem. Had dinner with my daughter last night. Today we're gonna cruise around some roads, find a cool spot to eat some lunch, and then later on this evening we're going to do some dinner. So I'm taking you along for the ride today. Let's enjoy it.
Did you wait to?
Okay, I made it over here to the French press. This coffee is amazing, and I like the flour that they put into it. Really cool spot. Okay, so stopped here in Woodburn, Oregon for a couple minutes. About to jump back on the bike and head to McMinville. See you there. All right, I am here in McMinville, Oregon. Looks like the little downtown area. Just gonna take a little walk around, see what's going on. There's some, and look across the street over there behind me. Couple cool spots. All right, next stop is gonna be the Woodburn outlets. Going to the Under Armour store and the Nike store. All right, I'll see you over there. All right, just arrived here in Woodburn at the outlet store. That's the Under Armour store right behind me. That's the first one I'm going into. I love Under Armour products. Check in with you in Salem when I have lunch with Savannah. Have fun. See you later. All right, I made it here to Salem. Taproot Lounge is where we're having lunch. Currently waiting on Savannah and Anthony to show up. And yeah, lunch. I'm pretty dang hungry at this point. All right, I'm trying this avocado. It's hot.
Fresh.
It's very tasty.
Oh, I'm glad you like it.
Very good. Wow. That's great.
Would recommend.
Highly recommend these.
Okay.
Okay, I did.
Okay.
Okay, so what are you going to say to the camera?
Hi. Hello. The food looks outstanding.
Wonderful looking food.
Oh,
Look
okay.
at this. This is amazing.
All right. Thank you, Barbara.
I thought you said you weren't good at that.
All right, got lunch all finished up with Savannah and Anthony. I will say that the Taproot Lounge food was fantastic. Service was fantastic. People were really cool. We sat outside. Food was amazing. Now I'm headed out towards Silverton and Mt Angel to go check those out. Not going to be gone too much longer for the day. because I got dinner later on this evening. So I'll stop in Mount Angel or Silverton and we can check that out here in a little bit. But the views around here where we're at right now are pretty nice. Okay, see you in a bit. All right, we are currently in Mount Angel, Oregon. I stopped in, well, we didn't stop in Silverton. We rode through Silverton and ended up here in Mount Angel. Mount Angel is where they do like a German festival every year, and the city kind of looks like, the architecture is a little bit like German, but it's a really cool spot. So just here for a few minutes. And then I'm gonna head back to the Airbnb and relax until dinner time. So, hope you're enjoying the ride. Stick around. Okay, made it back to the Airbnb. I think the riding is done for today. We still have dinner, but I'm not really sure I'm riding to dinner. I guess I'll find out here in a little bit. But it was a fantastic day. Yeah, thanks for riding along. And we'll check in with you later.
On too.
Okay, good morning.
Morning.
So this is the last day of the trip.
Happy Sunday.
Happy Sunday. So I'm gonna have breakfast with Savannah here. We're back at the French Press, and because it's one of my favorite places. Is it your favorite place too?
I haven't been here in a long time, but they have really good coffee.
Yes, very good coffee. So we're gonna head inside and have some breakfast, and then I will be heading home. So check in with you later.
See you later.
Bye.
Bye.
Okay, we got some drinks to start. I got the white chocolate mocha, and this is my second day in a row getting this, and this is the best drink.
So your favorite?
ever. This is probably my favorite drink here. Yeah, 100%. And then, what did you get?
I got a Black Forest, which is dark chocolate cherry.
Okay. All right. Does it taste good?
Very good.
Okay. So that's the drinks. Got a little food coming too.
We got our food. It's blueberry stuffed French toast, and that guy said that the waiter said that we are the first ones to try it.
Oh, the first ones.
Very first.
Okay. So you're gonna try it and give some feedback.
Okay.
Okay. So Savannah says.
You gotta try it. It's delicious.
Okay, you gotta try it. All right, let's try it. Let's see what we get here.
It's good.
That is fantastic.
It's like some of the best French toast I've ever had. I'm being serious.
Yeah. Blueberry French toast at the French Press in Salem, Oregon.
Blueberry stuffed French toast.
Oh, stuffed. Don't forget about that. All right. Thanks for joining us. Okay, so we just finished our breakfast at the French Press.
Very yummy.
It was very yummy. Yeah.
That was the best French toast I ever had. I'm not joking.
Stuffed
I will
French
be
toast.
back for it. Stuffed French toast.
All right, so I am going to jump on the motorcycle and start heading towards the house. This has been a great weekend. I think we met up 3 times.
Yeah. Dinner, then lunch, then breakfast.
And then breakfast.
Yeah.
Okay.
3 times.
And
Good
we
trip.
got to spend some time with Anthony, so that was fun. So we've already made plans for the next time I come up. I'm gonna stay closer to Portland. Anthony lives in Portland, and we're gonna go check out some cool food in the Portland area.
Yes, we are.
So that'll be a lot of fun. So hopefully we can do that next month.
Just let me know.
Okay.
And we'll see you too.
Okay. Well, thanks for hanging out with me, Savannah. I appreciate it.
Yeah.
And we'll do it again next time. All right.
Bye.
Bye. All right, I made it here to Junction City. It's a little food truck place. A couple of these little food trucks are currently not open, but the hot dog one is. So I think I'm gonna stop over there, grab a hot dog, lemonade. Okay, this is what I'm getting at the hot dog place. He says his favorite one is called the Sam Elliott. So I'm getting that. All right, got my hot dog for lunch. Called the Sam Elliott. Got some fried onion rings, barbecue sauce, a couple other things. Let's see how it tastes. That is really good. Super good flavor. Love the crispiness of the onion rings. The fried onions. Barbecue sauce is excellent. A little bacon infused. It's good. I recommend it. Junction City, Oregon. Called Hot Diggity Dog. All right. Once I'm done here, I'm gonna head back south on 99W and I'm going through Eugene, and then from Eugene I'll probably jump back on the freeway and head south to Grants Pass where I live. So thanks for riding along. Made it back home. I'll give you my thoughts on the ride in a little bit. Sometimes the best adventures aren't about the longest miles. This weekend was about family, memories, riding some good roads, and getting some miles on the trusty FJR. Thanks for riding along. Join us in the next adventure.